Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland.
Oh, good morning. I normally start off with coffee, of course, like everybody else, but today I'm going to make turkey pot pie. And, you know, since Thanksgiving's over and there's just a lot of turkey left over, the key that I have learned, the trick that I've learned for a good turkey pot pie is seasoning. Because remember, you want it to be thick, which requires flour. And you don't want a floury taste. So I've learned that seasoning is the key. And one of the things that really goes good with chicken and turkey is thyme. No, not that thyme. Like I was saying, thyme is really the key ingredient for this. Thyme goes with all kinds of poultry, chicken, turkey. This is actually only like my second time making this pot pie, and that's how easy it is. I mean, I use mixed vegetables from a can, which has potatoes in it, which I think is a really good addition. But again, the key is seasonings. I have garlic powder, onion powder. I also have chopped garlic, which is going to go in the pan, and that's going to start our base for the filling. And of course, I planned ahead when I roasted all my turkeys. I checked the turkey stock. Now you know, of course, after you add the butter, you're going to put in some chopped onions. Sauteing the onions just for a little bit. You just want them translucent, basically. What you're going to do is then add the vegetables and stir them in. And remember, they're already cooked, so they're going to go pretty quick. Then add your seasoning. And I'm going to list below all the seasonings, besides the unpowered garlic powder, salt, pepper. I prefer to use fresh cracked pepper. And then stir that in as well. And then you add your turkey. After you add your turkey, you just mix that in a little bit as well. And then you put it into a pie crust. I use the store-bought because I'm, one, too lazy to make my own crust, and I haven't perfected that yet, really. So you just basically put it in a pie crust. Just use the bottom crust for the top and put it on just like that. And then you crimp the sides. And it's pretty easy that way. And then, of course, I still put some holes in the top for the steam to escape. Then put it in the oven and bake. And that's really about it. And it comes out really good. At least first 2 times I did it, it came out really nice. So I'll put the ingredients below. When we pass around the coffee and the pumpkin pie, it'll be like a picture print, curry